vehicle introduction. The vehicle is composed of the chassis and its upper body. This is the electric control box for the tailplate. This is a drinking water system. This is a spraying system. This is the video system. This is the temperature display. These are the rocker switches. This is the heater. Start the vehicle and keep the vehicle idle. To avoid the battery shortage caused by prolonged use, before operating the tailplate, check whether there are any obstacles around the tailplate falling area and whether the strapping tape is open. Then turn on the power supply of the hydraulic station. Adjust the operation switch selection knob of the tailplate to inbox operation and press the tailplate up to make the red arrow on the side of the tailplate align with or higher than the arrow, so that the tailplate is out of self-locking state. Manual pump operation can also be used when the hydraulic station is unable to provide power normally. Install the middle rocker in the operating box on the pump head and turn counterclockwise to loosen the one-way valve and tighten the air pressure pump. While shaking the hand rocker, press the tailplate up button to release the tailplate from the self-locking state. At the same time, press the flip button and the tailplate down button to make the tailplate turn to the horizontal state. Then press the tailplate down button to make the tailplate drop to the ground. Adjust the tailplate operation switch selection knob to run operation, standing on the tailboard according to work requirements. After opening the fence of the tailplate, enter the fence operation, and use the lifting of the tailplate and the roof plate to cooperate with the normal operation. After the work is finished, lower the tailplate, close and tighten the fence. Turn the tailplate operation switch selection knob to inbox operation. Press the tailplate up to make the red arrow on the side of the tailplate align with or higher than arrow. At the same time, press the flip and the tailplate up buttons to make the tailplate flip and close. Control the flip speed by inching. To make the tailplate flip slowly to the vertical position. Press the tailplate down to make the tailplate in the self-locking state. Finally, tighten the strapping tape and turn off the power to finish the operation. First, open the additional air source master valve to let air pressure pass through the regulator valve. Then, open the drinking water inlet valve or spray inlet valve when the pressure reaches 0.3 ampere. Open the drinking water valve or spray valve to carry out the drinking water or spray operation in the compartment. The filter, heater, and fans are in the workplace. The control switch is in the cab. The wind enters the compartment through the air inlet frame. After being filtered by the filter, the choke plate of the air inlet frame adjusts the air inlet size by rising and falling. This is a fan switch. Each fan switch in the cab controls the front 2 air inlet fans and the rear 2 air outlet fans in each compartment. First, turn on the master switch and then turn on the fan on the first, second, and third floors. When the indicator light is on, means the fan inside the compartment begins to work normally. The electric box at the rear of the vehicle can also control the air outlet fan separately. During operation, the master switch of the fan in the cab should be turned on, and then the fan should be operated in the electrical box at the rear of vehicle. To turn off the fan, just press the master switch. This is the heater switch. The heat output of the rear heater can be controlled by adjusting the knob as needed. When the red indicator light is on, the heater in the workshop begins to work normally. Turn off the heater when it reaches a certain temperature after heating for a while. The red indicator light will go off when the heater cools down. The compartment is equipped with real-time temperature video monitoring. Turn on the video monitoring button. The two monitors in the cab will display the temperature and video images in each compartment.